Buongiorno. We just got a shipment in from Italy. We weighed it on our scale and it weighs 99.2 pounds.
So let's find out what's in this baby.
Okay. We have vegetable broth that comes in packets that are like tea bags and you just soak them in water.
Okay, this is all from Italy. Zucchero, which is sugar.
It's made of beets. This is the only sugar that's grown in Italy.
Tomato sauce.
Fana, which is like cream that you use for making anything that you want cream for.
Oatmeal.
My biscotti, my favorite. They take them out of the box for me, so I have extra room in the box. Hazelnuts from Piemonte.
More oatmeal.
We got lots of oatmeal. This one I got tea, which is made of mint and lemon.
Oh, baby!
Milk latte. Milk. And then my limone. It's lemon juice.
Oh, we got some.
Laundry detergent.
And what are these again?
These are chickpeas.
Chickpeas. Make some good hummus right here.
My little Parmesan cheese snacks. And then Toscana soup.
More milk. More milk.
Let's see what's in this puppy.
Ooh, lemon juice from Sicily. Sicilia.
This was my present. This is the company that you can look up if you want and are interested in their food. They gave it to me as a present. She was like, which one do you want? And gave me a bunch of options.
Ooh, what is this?
We got lenticchie or lentils.
Ooh, nocciola, hazelnuts.
We have cannellini beans.
Oh, more hazelnuts, my favorite nuts.
Lots of sugar. I got a ton of sugar this time. This is like spicy herbs, basically.
More biscotti, a tomato sauce.
Lots of my Parmesan. I bought them out of Parmesan. There was nothing left on the shelves.
Oh, it's Parmesan snacks?
Yeah.
Oh, more beans. What are these beans?
Cannellini.
Oh, that's gonna be some good soup.
We have so many things. More brodo or broth.
Lemon juice.
Dijon.
Lentils. Gonna have some soup.
What's in this one?
Oh, fresh
Pistachio.
Pistachios.
I should also have some mustard seeds in here too. Oh, she gave me 2 of her favorites.
Oh,
Thank
baby.
you. Gracias.
Cashews and raisins.
These are actually sweet raisins. They're
Golden-
not like
golden
ours.
raisins.
Yeah. So we have mustard. More Dijon. There's mustard seed. This is mustard powder so that we can make homemade mayo.
Guess what? Sun-dried tomatoes.
Yes. So many. And lots of detergents.
Natural detergents. It won't make you have hives.
Pumpkin seeds.
Sauce. Lemon juice.
Fana, another version of it. I wanted
More
to
nuts.
try them.
What's this one?
No, no. Oh, I think it's another mustard. I wanted all the mustards because you can't get them anywhere here. And why not if you know exactly where they are? And
What a good idea. So they took them all out of the boxes, broke them down, still gave the boxes so we knew what we got. But easier to pack, get more in the box.
Voila.
Ta-da! Ta-da!